Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, June 28th, 2024, and we're going down with the market. Inverted H, moving average bounce, slingshot. Inverted H, lightning to the downside. 555, lightning, inverted H, lightning to the downside. This is a specific and special setup. We're coming from a very wide state. So as this trade develops, I'm going to go into a little bit more details of why this trade has the potential to go greater than our average dollar move. Impulse, correct. Waiting for another impulse. Once the price clears 485, we're going to come down to this control area and we're going to break down in stages.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move. Now, since we expect this to go farther than $1, we're going to incrementally move and adjust our stops. So right now we're only going to go to a 50-cent lock-in. So this price is going to come down. I expect it to have a retrace again. So that might be roughly around that dollar marker, and we don't want to get taken out early. So every big bar that breaks the former low, that's when we're going to move our stop. I expect the price to retrace right around here and fail and then continue down. So once we get a big bar that passes that former low, that pivot point, we'll lock in that dollar from there. Now we're going to lock in that $1 move. As you can see, if you did it too early, you would have got taken out by moving your stop to lock in that dollar. So now we're going to just let this continue to drop. But again, we have to be very strategical about how we're going to allow this to develop while we're using our stops to lock in profits as we go. Once the price gets down to this range, what I expect to see is a reaction and a retrace. Where I expect the retrace to fail after it gets down to that box is somewhere around here. So we're going to go lower. Let me change the color to make it definitive. Oop. There we go. So once the price gets down to the dark blue box, I expect it to retrace back into the sky blue box and then continue on. Now we have a big bar that cleared the former pivot low, and we're in the dark blue rectangle box. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you right now where the price is intended to go. Right here. So right where we started the complete run up, which is right around the 200. I expect the price to come down to this level, retrace, and then finally get to our ultimate destination. All right, we're going to close as this price drops into that 200.
Order filled.
And there you are, ladies and gentlemen, a $3.25 drop. Triple sync logic. 3 time periods, 3 rules, syncing up, logic, leverage obvious gain using intelligence and common sense. When you know how to read your charts, you will become a competent, confident, and consistent trader.